Hi everyone, welcome. So my name is Felicia and I am here to guide you on the introduction to ChatGPT. So I'll be teaching you what is ChatGPT. I'm sure a lot of people have been hearing a lot about ChatGPT, and most people would not want to ask that question because almost everybody talks about ChatGPT. But I would like to say that not everyone, if you agree with me, not everyone actually knows what it is. So I'm here to guide you. It's like an intro train on ChatGPT. I would guide you from the beginning. Just follow me as we go along, and I'm sure at the end of this training, you'll be able to tell what ChatGPT is and what it can do. Everybody's using it right now. I don't want you to be left out. So come with me as we go along. So I'll be sharing my screen as I talk. So just hold on as I share my screen with you. All right. So, okay, I would go to the beginning. This is the ChatGPT presentation. Like I said, my name is Felicia and welcome. So this is what we'll be talking about. What is ChatGPT? How do you get it? How do you use it? How do you start chatting with it? So what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot, sorry, created by OpenAI. If you look at the image on the left, OpenAI, this is a company that created ChatGPT, and it is an advanced chatbot designed to help us in our conversations. It is trained to behave more like a human to help us to answer complex questions or conversations. You can talk to it actually like a friend, colleague, asking a question, no matter what the question is, ChatGPT will always have an answer for you. So first of all, what is ChatGPT? Like the name says, it is chat, it talks to you. And GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So yes, it is an AI, that's artificial intelligence. That is where ChatGPT falls under. So as we go along, I would like to say that I know a lot of people use AI and ChatGPT interchangeably, but you shouldn't do that because AI is like the umbrella name and ChatGPT is like a subset of AI. But we'll get to it as we go along. So follow me. What can you do with ChatGPT? So ChatGPT can do a lot, especially right now. AI has gone haywire. So many things can happen with AI at this moment. At this moment, I can't say that there's something AI cannot do. That is the stage at which we are. And every day, new companies are bringing up new things. Google just launched the VO3. So many things are happening. So it would be a good thing if everybody jumps right in at this early stage. It's still early, so you can as well learn and get right onto the train. Don't get left out. So yes, it can do anything. It is a smart assistant. Like I said, you can ask it questions. You can make it do researches for you. You know, in the time past, a lot of us would have questions, assignments, researches, and we would go to Google. But with the recent development right now, so many things are happening. If you have a question, if you have a research paper, if you have a document you need to write, email, anything, you can go to ChatGPT and it will create every single thing for you according to your request. So it is trained to act like it's more like an assistant, and it can act like a human by answering your questions in a humanized form or manner. So it is a smart assistant for almost any task, from content creation. Like I said, you can use it to create content creation, especially at this day and age. A lot of people would like to delve into social media, creating content, and you want it to be structured, but you don't know how to go about it. ChatGPT can do that for you, creating blogs, emails, like I said, social media, creating images from text messages. That's the new one that's everybody's on about right now. You just put in a prompt. A prompt is a message. You type in a message for ChatGPT, and it reads your message and transforms it into an image to give that intelligent response, like how you would want it. So you can, if you want to create like an image right now, you just write in a prompt, do this for me, and it brings out the exact image. And if it is not the image you want, you can alter it. So you keep altering until you get your desired result. So from content creation for your blogs, emails, social media, creating images from text, script writing, drawing, analyzing data, and so much more. So many things are happening with the artificial intelligence space. It's unbelievable. These are things that we actually watched in movies, and to think that in the nearest 2 to 3 years, it's not far away. 2, 3 years, AI will be perfect, and a lot of us will have to depend on AI for so many things. You know, there's this saying that people are scared of losing their jobs because AI is here to take the jobs. But if you know how, AI will not operate itself. It's getting there, but if you know how to operate these things, you would be ahead of your peers. So it is good, it's a good idea to start now and develop your skills, upskill if you need to. Let's move on. What makes ChatGPT different from old school chatbots? So ChatGPT it has been trained. Like I said, it has been trained with several materials. A lot of materials were put into ChatGPT all the way from in October 2022, I think. Yeah. So you can imagine putting knowledgeable materials data into ChatGPT so that it is now so intelligent and can do anything, absolutely anything. It can understand complex questions and provide helpful answers. It's been trained to think like a human. I've been saying this from the beginning. Think like a human, thereby giving very human-like responses. It is very flexible. ChatGPT can be your friend if you want it to be. You can tell ChatGPT about your life, and it will develop. It will y- more like you're training it. When you put in prompts into ChatGPT, it's beginning to understand the way you think, the way you write, the way you communicate, so that it can give it back to you. It can mirror your actions and give it back to you, probably in your responses or anything that you would want. So it is flexible and can also answer in various languages. So you can write something now in English and tell ChatGPT to respond to you in another language, and it will do that just fine. How do you access ChatGPT? So you can either access it through the web. This is the website chat.openai.com, or if you're using the Apple Store, that if you have an Apple phone or you have an Android, you can go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and find it. Just type in OpenAI, yeah, OpenAI, and you would download it. But if you I did not actually download I did not actually download the app. I use it through the web. It's I think I prefer the web option to downloading it, maybe because the internet is just easy for me to access. So but if not, you can as well download it on your phone. So yes, like I said, AI and ChatGPT are not the same. AI is the umbrella, it is the father, and then all others come under. You can see machine learning, deep learning. I think this is where ChatGPT falls, deep learning. Generative AI. That's where ChatGPT falls under. So it's an umbrella name, and there are different parts. You can see these are the different parts. So many robotics. So many, so many. So when people say, "Oh, I'm using AI," what part of AI are you talking about? So yeah, that is it. And I think that is all, and I will see you on the next one. The next one will go practical, and I will show you how to use ChatGPT. It's very simple. Don't ever think that you cannot do any of these things. I will teach you. Just come with me. Let's go on this ride together. All right, people. Bye. Thank you.